today we are starting off. Jason is home from work and we are headed out to the house. This is our final walkthrough today, and this is moving week. We are really super excited and we are looking forward to it. So we're gonna do our final walkthrough with, he's the builder, right? Yeah, he's the head builder of the company. So he's gonna walk us through the house and make sure everything is good and ready to go. All right, we are just leaving the house, and basically what we did was we did a walkthrough and we went through and looked at all the drywall, all the paint, made sure everything is good to go, and they're bringing people in to finish up all the touch-ups. And then we come back out here in a couple days, and then we just before we sign on the house, we have to come back out here for our absolute final walkthrough, and then we'll be set. But it looks good. It wasn't bad at all, was it? It was pretty good. I was impressed. They've been busy.
Yes, they have.
It is a few days later and we are off to our final walkthrough on the new house. We're pretty excited to get this part done, hoping everything is finished. We are just leaving the walkthrough. There was just a couple little tiny minor things of paint, and when we left, they already had the paint guy out there and he was fixing it and getting it ready. So next is the signing this afternoon. We're really super excited. Oh, and they had cleaners out there that were cleaning the house too, so it smelled really super good. It was all pine solly and pretty, and the sun was shining through, and it's a good day. It is almost noon and we are headed in to sign on our house. Our realtor was telling us that it could be an hour waiting for the keys. Just depends on, you know, all the money transfer and all the paperwork and all the okays that they need to get. So if that's the case, we'll find something to do. Maybe go to lunch or something when we're around there, and we're pretty excited. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Me too.
I'm ready to get in there and start getting to work.
Me too. We just left the mortgage company, title company, and we signed all the papers, and we did not get the keys yet. They said that they will be handing us the keys shortly in our neighborhood, so we're waiting to hear from them for that, because as soon as we get the keys, we got lots of stuff to do. So hopefully the next time I see you, we'll be at the new house. We are here in our new home and we could not be happier. Feels so good. This has been a long road, but it is worth it, don't you think?
Yes.
They gave us a little welcoming bucket. I'm gonna show you. Isn't this adorable? It has all Mrs. Meyer's stuff in it. Has a Austin natural soap, a soy candle, some rags, some scrub brushes, scour pads. It's all in this little bucket. I thought that was cute. Things have kind of slowed down a little bit here. Cooper went out for a walk and he was being hyper before he went for a walk, like really hyper, and then he was really being hyper out on his walk and apparently overexerted himself so bad he almost had a heat stroke. He was acting weird, he wasn't acting right, he couldn't get up on chairs. I mean, there was just signs, and Jason took him to the vet to get him checked out just to make sure he didn't pull. We were thinking like he pulled a muscle or something, and it wasn't that. The vet took him in immediately. We love his vet here. Ran blood work and everything came back really good, and he said that Cooper was very close, or he had been very close to having a heat stroke. So Coop's in the vet right now waiting. The doctor, his temperature went up a little bit. He wants to make sure that he gets it down. He's on cooling pads and all kinds of stuff. So we're just waiting around for him to make sure everything's okay. And we're just packing a little bit here and there, but we're kind of not, our mind isn't there. Our mind is with Cooper right now. Cooper is home and we are going to monitor him for tonight. They put him on some medicine to relax him. We have a fan blowing on him and just keeping him cool, and so that's how we're gonna spend the night tonight, is just watching Cooper, making sure he's okay and everything's good. Jason, Justin, and Timothy all took a load over to the house, and we're doing what we can as far as the move goes, but Cooper is definitely our #1 priority tonight. Update on Cooper, he slept all night. His temperature is good. Jason and the boys are over at the new house getting some things done. I am here. We're gonna start packing. We pick up the truck today. Today is a very busy day. We got lots going on and lots to do. The truck has arrived. Jason just picked it up and he is backing it up so we can get it loaded. Jason rented these dollies to help us with the move. He has a furniture dolly. This one is a utility dolly, and this big boy is an appliance dolly. He also rented some blankets to go over our furniture so nothing gets scraped up. You guys said this is really cool, right?
Yeah.
For they're putting the washer and dryer in the moving truck. Okay, so what was it you guys said?
You strap the strapper on it and get it like fairly snug, and then you spin this handle and it locks it and tightens that up.
Oh man.
So that it doesn't go.
Doesn't move. That's amazing. Coming in very handy, huh? It is happening. I am packing up the kitchen. Jason and the boys are loading up the truck. So I'm in the air conditioning and I keep telling them, I'm like, you guys, we're gonna set a timer where they're outside for a little while and then they come in and rest and get, you know, things to drink, water and all that, and then get in the air conditioning for a little bit. Moving is definitely underway. It's almost 6:30. I'm packing up in the pantry. The kitchen's just about done. I'm waiting for some dishes in the dishwasher to cool off. I'm gonna get those packed up. But the truck, my guys are all loading up the truck and we are hoping to get 2 loads. So this is going to be a long day and a late night. So I don't know if I'll see you again tonight or if I see you tomorrow. Look at how handy this cart is. Dang. Fits that whole shelf right on there. That's really convenient. We are on day 2 of moving. We are trying to get all of the big items out of this house. And we're really planning on sleeping over at the new house tonight. This is our second load. There's not much, there's quite a bit of truck still left, but I need to explain. U-Haul has been very, very, very difficult to work with. They won't let us rent a truck for 2 days in a row. And it's a local move, which is weird. So we have to take this truck back and then get another one and then use another one. Also, Jason had rented our truck yesterday. This was like a week in advance. He had talked to management, made sure everything was set, everything was good, and went to pick up the truck and it wasn't at the location that we needed it and he had to drive quite a ways to get a truck. That really set us back too. We're very aggravated with U-Haul. And so anyway, we got in what we could get in right now and they're going to go to the house, unload this half of a truck basically, and then they're going to go in and switch out trucks and then come back and we'll load a whole new truck. The second truck has arrived and it's being loaded as we speak. This one is a lot larger. This one has a area up in the front that we can store stuff up in there, like a little shelf. And then my guys put a fan in there to keep the air circulating. Because inside of the truck it gets so horribly hot that that fan is working and it's keeping the air moving so it's not just, you know, sitting there. We have spent the entire day today just packing, loading, unloading. It has been quite a day. It is after 11 o'clock right now. The guys are back with the truck again and we have, the beds are all set up at the new house, so we're gonna be sleeping over there. But we wanna get the bigger furniture and get that done tonight because the truck goes back tomorrow. So we're getting like the dining room table, the chairs, we're gonna get those for the recliners and just that kind of stuff. We don't have much left. And then we're going to take all the immediate kind of things over with us and we are going to unload the truck tonight and then sleep there, which I'm really excited about. I'm excited to see how Cooper likes his house. He's never been over there, so I think he's gonna really like it. He's not gonna be able to check out the yard because it's super dark out because the day just kind of got away from us with, you know, doing all the things. Moving's hard. It's hard work, exhausting. Everybody is thoroughly exhausted at this point and sore, very sore. So next I see you, I bet you we're gonna be at the new house. It is almost 2:30 in the morning. We are finally at the new house. we're gonna just get what we need ready and everybody can just take showers and get their pajamas on and go to bed. And then tomorrow we're gonna get up, finish unloading the truck, and then return the truck to U-Haul. And then we have a little more moving to do with the rental, but that stuff can just go in our vehicles. Well, it's actually been a couple of days. I did not pick up the camera. We have been so crazy busy. It's been a whirlwind. So I know moves are difficult. Everybody has problems. We always have problems. There's always stuff that slows us down. It just seems like all the elements work against us. I don't know why, but it does. That's okay, because we are moved in now to the home, or you know, all the boxes and everything were here. I'm so happy about that. So 2 days ago, we decided that we needed another truck, just a small truck, because there's just things that we needed yet to get from the rental, just odds and ends kinds of things. There's always odds and ends, right? So that's what we did that day, got everything over here. And then yesterday we went to the rental to clean it and get it all set, and left the keys and walked away. We cannot be happier to be finally completely done with the move. It was a really good transitional place and we enjoyed it there. We loved the neighborhood. It got us used to the area. It was just a really super good decision we had made to start off with a rental and then work our way into where we wanted to live. Today is like extra odds and ends kind of thing. We need to switch our address, so Jason ran out to do that really quickly, and we're just kind of doing things around here, making small changes around here to have the home flow a little bit better. And of course I am working on putting away all the things. So I'm going to show you what little changes we've made so far. I mean, it's going to continue going. We have many things we want to do to put our personal touch on this home, but these are the few things that we've started right now. The washer and dryer is in and all hooked up. And now it is running its first load of towels. How very exciting. Our garage is unfinished, so we have decided to do this. We painted the walls gray and we put an epoxy on the floor so that it makes it a lot easier for any spills or cleanups that need to be done in the garage. Looks so much better. On the pantry door, Jason installed this for all my spices and Reynolds wrap, all that kind of stuff goes on here, just like what I had in Amarillo. He got this at Lowe's, and I will have the link down below. I am getting my spices put in here. They're fitting quite nicely. I love it. That's gonna open up more space for me in the pantry. These are the cabinets. They have a little tiny half shelf in the back, and we want to change that out. This is what we're doing with the cabinets in the kitchen. So these two shelves pull out, and then it has a soft close. But Jason had to add a board here because they didn't have anything to attach to. So eventually we want to get actual shelving here and it'll look better in the future, but for now this works. And then this is just a treasure to me. Jason found this online. Oh my goodness. So you can pull this out and it fits all of my cutting boards, my cookie sheets, baking pans. I am so excited about this. And this is soft close also. Jason just finished this, so we still have to fill in the holes and paint the cupboard. But he changed this one into a recycle bin and a garbage bin. Isn't that neat? We've never had it like this before, so I'm very excited about this. We need to make some changes on our back porch so that Cooper can easily come down off from the back porch. As you can see, there's quite a good sized ledge here. And we also need to put up some railing. So we're gonna get that ready to make it safe for Puppy. So this is what we have started for the back porch. We have the railing up here, and then we're going to extend the railing out here, and then more railing will be here, and then the ramp will go here. Cooper's doing fine with this little step right here. He's doing good. But the patio railing is on back order, so we need a little bit more of it. Once it comes in, we can get this finished. But at this point, we are gonna just continue to unpack, put things away, and the next video that you see is going to be in the rental. But this whole move has been exhausting, exciting. It is just, we're so happy to finally be in our spot. in life in this home and being able to explore and see different things, and I am so happy that you came along with us for this whole experience. Here's 2 more videos to catch you up in case you've missed out what's going on. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.